As we begin the forensic survey, the extent of the neglect is clear. The original maroon paint is heavily oxidized.
The first step is always the most delicate. Lifting this bonnet reveals the extent of the work ahead.
The Silver Spur shell is ready for its first wash. We're using the foam cannon to break down years of grime before the high-pressure rinse.
Cleaning phase final overview. The 1985 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur is now fully cleaned and dried. Still complete.
We start with a coarse grip to remove the high spots, ensuring the filler transitions are perfectly smooth against the original maroon paint.
I had no idea this place was even standing.
Look at you, Forby, you've been sleeping here for decades. Today you get to come home with me.
Hidden away since '85, this Rolls-Royce represents a forgotten era. A time capsule slowly succumbing to the elements and the dust of memory.
Once a symbol of ultimate luxury, the spirit of ecstasy now wears the patina of forgotten time.
This 1985 Silver Spur shows years of neglect. The tires are completely flat. The white wall.
It's right in there. Been sitting for years.
All right, looks tight, but we can winch it out slowly.
Okay, loop it around here. Come on. There we go, tight fit.
The 1985 Silver Spur, once a symbol of opulence, now begins a new journey. Its maroon paint oxidized.
All right, keep it steady now. Just a little further.
Looks good back here, boss. Almost clear.
As we begin the forensic survey, the extent of the neglect is clear. The original maroon paint is heavily oxidized. Camera positioned directly underneath the raised 1985 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur. The entire...
The first step is always the most delicate. Lifting this bonnet reveals the extent of the work ahead.
Ready to lift. On the count of 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, that is heavy. Watch the paint. Let's get it to the cart.
Wide shot of both front wheels being removed from the 1985 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur, the original maroon paint on the inner floor. We start by removing the rear wheels, revealing the original maroon panels. The taillights are still functional, but we need
Interior trimming begins as the entire interior is stripped out. The original cream leather seats are carefully unbolted and carried to the staging area.
That's the legendary 6 3/4 litre motor coming out. Quite a bit of grime there, but the bay looks perfect.
Every connector is labeled before we carefully route the harness onto the restoration board, preserving the exact layout. Use the small wedge here, gently.
Got it. It's lifting slowly.
The rotisserie allows us full access to the shell, ensuring no detail of this classic Silver Spur is overlooked during the restoration.
We've completely disassembled the 1985 Silver Spur. As you can see,
Every piece is accounted for and organized.
Disassembly final verification.
The Silver Spur shell is ready for its first wash. We're using the foam cannon to break down years of grime before the high-pressure rinse. The high-viscosity foam clings to the classic lines, the purple transforming to white as it dissolves the embedded dirt. The dwell time is crucial for the purple foam to effectively break down the heavy grime.
This Silver Spur's cream roof requires careful attention. We're seeing the oxidized layer lift away, revealing the pristine paint underneath.
We're focusing on the wheel wells now, getting rid of decades of buildup to reveal that original coating.
We're flushing the floor pans now, trying to clear out decades of debris before we install the new insulation. Decades of dirt are scrubbed away, revealing the original maroon paint. Every mechanism must be cleaned thoroughly before the rebuild.
Decades of stored debris being flushed out, revealing the original factory paint underneath. This Silver Spur is getting the deep clean it deserves.
Getting deep into the recesses of this emblem now, lifting the dirt gently with the foam. See that color coming back to life?
Decades of neglect have left this chrome dull. The first step is crucial, gently wiping away the heavy gray oxidation before we can even think about polishing.
We're finally revealing the true color here. Look at the depth on this original maroon finish.
This front section is the original cream color finally emerging. The contrast here really shows the extent of the decades of neglect.
With the right solution and careful technique, the original clarity of this 1985 glass can finally be restored.
The final rinse reveals the true condition of this 1985 Silver Spur. Every scratch and dent is now visible.
As the towel passes, the true depth of the Silver Spur's original maroon paint is finally revealed.
The roof is now fully cleaned and dried, revealing the original cream color. But as the industrial lighting shows, it is distinctly...
Before the restoration can begin, every piece, from the smallest chrome trim to the leather seats, must...
Cleaning phase final overview. The 1985 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur is now fully cleaned and dried, still completely...
Well done, everyone. The cleaning phase is officially complete. This Silver Spur is ready for the next stage.
The key here is meticulous cleaning, ensuring every channel is free of debris before reassembly.
With the cleaning phase now complete, the tools and chemicals for the 1985 Silver Spur are organized for final sign-off.
This brass radiator from the 85 Silver Spur is heavily oxidized. We're using a specialized solution to gently lift decades of mineral deposits.
Decades of road grime are meticulously blasted away, revealing the original factory markings crucial for restoration accuracy.
All right, the cleaning phase is officially complete, ready for restoration.
Here we see the period-correct body filler being carefully applied to the deepest scratches on this 1985 Silver Spur.
We start with a coarse grit to remove the high spots, ensuring the filler transitions are perfectly smooth against the original maroon paint.
The Silver Spur shell receives its essential primer surfacer coats, ensuring a flawless foundation.
Primer sanding on the 1985 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur. Every pass of the sanding block ensures the primer is perfectly flat, ready for the color coats.
The masking process is critical. Any exposed chrome must be perfectly covered before the original factory maroon can be applied.
This is the moment we apply the first coat of factory original maroon. It must be perfectly smooth to achieve the desired depth. The Silver Spur's original factory maroon is revived, the clear coat enriching the color and providing that signature wet look.
We're just tacking it off now, making sure every particle is gone. You can see the difference between the scuffed surface and that flawless maroon.
Unveiled for the first time since the restoration began, the 1985 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur, now in its complete original factory maroon and cream configuration.
Watch the gasket on this side. Clear, clear. Bring it down slowly. We're looking at the heart of the 1985 Silver Spur here. Each jet is cleaned, calibrated, and the linkages adjusted perfectly before reinstallation.
And as the masking comes away, the true depth of the finish is revealed. Ready for the engine installation.
Cream. The original chrome wheels are meticulously replated, ensuring a flawless mirror finish. New white wall tile.
We're installing the replated springs now, making sure the new bushings are perfectly seated before we apply the final torque.
Every component, from the calipers to the braided lines, has been meticulously restored to Concours standards.
Reassembling the iconic grille is a painstaking process, ensuring every chrome vein is perfectly seated before the mascot is affixed.
The final step is aligning the pins perfectly before it slides into the fender. We want to make sure the gap is absolutely flawless against this beautiful maroon paint.
Here we see the restored taillight assemblies. The new lenses and chrome bezels must match the original factory specifications exactly for a perfect fit.
Wiring harness refit begin. Every wire must trace back to the original loom. Now, lowering the air cleaner housing requires a steady hand.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Looks good. Keep coming down slowly.
Right there, perfect.
All right, hit it with the torque wrench.
Feels solid, boss. It's not going anywhere.
Securing the wheel requires precise torque. Then we move on to the controls, making sure every button functions exactly as it should.
The original regulator, meticulously restored, slides into the freshly painted maroon door. Every bolt
Bolting the restored headlights back onto the Silver Spur requires precision, ensuring every trim ring is perfectly aligned.
With the taillight assemblies restored, the Silver Spur achieves perfect harmony between the maroon paint and the chrome bezels.
We use the pneumatic wrench to ensure every lug nut is secured to the factory specification before we lower it.
Okay, torque them down.
Looks good. The finish on that rim is absolutely perfect.
With the restoration complete, the final step is ensuring the suspension geometry meets the factory specifications for that iconic smooth ride.
With the restoration complete, we begin the fluid fill. Fresh coolant, then the brake system is bled to ensure no air remains in the lines. Behold the Silver Spur. Bathed in the spotlight, its original maroon finish glows with an unmatched depth.
This 1985 Silver Spur, with its flawless maroon paint and iconic spirit of ecstasy. This magnificent Silver Spur, seen here in stunning maroon and cream, represents the pinnacle of 1980s automotive luxury. This 1985 Silver Spur, resplendent in its original maroon and cream, represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship.
The gleaming chrome and pristine white wall define the classic elegance of the 1985 Rolls-Royce.
This 1985 Silver Spur represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Every inch,
After months of meticulous work, the Silver Spur finally glides onto the open road. A true testament to 80s luxury.
If you love watching forgotten classics come back to life, hit subscribe and join me every week for another restoration story. Drop a comment below telling me which forgotten classic you want me to rescue next, and I will see you in the next one.